In this first clip, you'll look on the left-hand side and you'll see a white object kind of dropping from the screen. And this is showing you the object frame by frame. On the right-hand side of the screen on the bottom, you can see my drone. Here's the same video, which is enhanced. Right-hand side of the screen is my drone. Left-hand side of the screen is the anomaly. And here is a continuation of the first video. On the left-hand side, dropping down, is the white anomaly. And in just a few seconds, you'll see another object come in from the left-hand side. You can see it now. So this does not look like a bird to me. I really don't know what it is. On the right-hand side, on the top, you can see my drone spinning, and you can see how slow this video is moving just by the blades of my drone. And here is that same video that is enhanced. On the left-hand side, you see the white object dropping very slowly. And in just a moment, there it is, the anomaly coming in from the left-hand side of the screen. And it actually looks like it's two pieces of something with a space in the center. That stopped in midair and changed course, and now it's moving the other direction. This is a zoomed in view, as zoomed in as I could go, of what we just saw. And here is an enhanced version of that same video. And it actually looks like there's a space in between the two objects. And you'll see that better when you see the still images next.